Hello guys, today I'm going to explain how our memory or how our brain work to memorize things. So there are a lot of informations outside, okay? So only those information goes into the short-term memory if we give the pay attention. So pay attention is the one of the factor that can brings the information into the short-term memory, and once the information is in short-term memory, we can convert into the long-term memory by doing this recap. So what is that recap? These are the principles that used to memorize the things. So what does that mean? So this is the mnemonics that I use the recap. So R stands for the repetitions. So generally if we repeat the information again and again, that goes to the short-term memory and then after the long-term memory. So R stands for the repetitions. You can do the repetitions while reading. So once when you are reading at that time, also note taking or note taking is also kind of repetitions. You can do the spaced repetitions, which means after the some interval of time you need to go back what you have already written. And also you can do the active recall, so which means like you have to test yourself that how much information that you get. So that all belongs to the repetitions, and if you do so, then you can memorize the things. Okay, so because the repetition is also the principle of memory. So another thing is exaggeration. So what does that exaggeration means? Like putting the small things into the bigger way, like simple things but making this bigger, like this kind of is work is like exaggerate. So if you are able to make the information exaggerations, then yeah, that's memory like, because that's the principle of the memory. So memory like, and then you will memorize things. Another is the chunking. See, another C stand from the chunking. So break the big informations into the smaller one. So I would suggest to categorize, break down the big large number of informations into the smaller with the particular categories. So not breaking the into the smaller, but also with the some categorizations. So you categorize every parts, and then the parts, if you categorize and organize, then that will be memorized pretty easy as compared to the large number. Okay, so because one of the things, like our brain likes organized thing. Okay, and the most that I used is the association. So association, I like this association because it is pretty easy and it help you to connect the things. So generally what does that mean? Association, like making the connections that you have already known. If you want to memorize, or if you want to get the information of the new things, then just try to connect the new information with the that you have already existed. Okay, so this is a pretty good way. And also you can do one of the way one of the example of the association is the memory palace. So what does that means? Like try to connect the every new informations around the place. So palace means like place. Locky, that is also kind of locky. So try to connect the your your areas with the new informations. That's also one of the example of the associations. Okay, so now another is a picture. So picture means standard visualizations. So try to convert the text on any informations into the visible things, or the make some story and then visualize that. And because memory like the visualize, or memory like the vivid color, or vivid or colorful things. So try to make the good pictures, and then if you are able to make the good pictures, then that you will not easily forget. So never forget recap and repetitions, because that help you to bring the short term into the long term memory. Okay, all right, thank you.